My name is Sunny. When Menahem began was a little boy growing up in Poland. He probably never imagined that someday he would lead a Jewish nation and win a Nobel Prize for Peace. As a young man, Menahem earned a law degree and became an active Zionist. Members of Zionist movement wanted to create a Jewish community in Middle Eastern region of Palestine. Germany invaded Poland early in World War II, and the Nazis began to persecute the Jews. Began joining the Polish army in exile. He went with them to Palestine in 1942. There began joining a group fighting to create a Jewish state. Thank you very much.